Someone asked about details on this thing I made for Willard's gun. I'll show you how that kind of works. You can see here it's just a piece of leather wrapped around the buttstock. Got Velcro on both sides. The adjustable part is right here. Just a piece of leather again. Heavy leather. You want something. Matter of fact, I doubled this one just to make it a little stiffer. This part needs to be pretty stiff. This part does not. And then the Velcro is sewed into that. And then the way it's adjustable, of course, you can adjust it just by, I don't think it'd ever be that high, but you can adjust it like that, or you can put it down here like that's probably about, I think that's about where it works for me. But anyway, that's how you do. And if you don't have a sewing machine, I guess technically you could cut this out and hand stitch all that. It's, in my business, it's having a sewing machine is part of the deal. But and then here you can just see how it's laced on pretty much like a shoe. I think one thing that I did do on one of my other guns, the buttstock was shaped such that it wanted to keep slipping around. So underneath here, I put a tack right here on both sides because it's never coming off. So what do I don't care if there's a tack in it. But anyway, that's how you do the adjustable leather piece on the buttstock. I think the Leatherman or somebody makes these, and I'm not trying to take any business away from them. Matter of fact, I have. I'll show you on one of my other guns here. Now this is the piece that I think the Leatherman, I know they sell it, I'm not sure if they make it. It works the same way. It's got this Velcro on it. Now, on theirs, they use this Velcro around here to keep it from moving backwards or actually moving forward. I didn't really want to do that on mine, so you can kind of see how they did it. But that's all it is. It gives you the ability to raise the comb up and down to fit you a little better. For me, anyway, see, I didn't build this gun, and the buttstock didn't fit me very well, so I put it on there to make the buttstock fit. And that's, if you ever buy another gun from somebody and it didn't fit you, it doesn't fit you perfectly, well, you can do something like that. All right, thanks, guys.